Hey students, welcome to my next class of mathematics. In this class, we'll write the numbers from 89 to 98, also 100 to 91, and the third question also we'll solve today. Write the given number in ascending order and in descending order. Let's start the second question. The first one we have done already. I hope you have done at home. I request the parents to help the child to get this work done. Now, write the numbers from 89 to 98. We have to start from 89 up to 98 we have to write. Let's start. First number 89. Then after 89, 90 will come, student. Then after 90, 91. Repeat after me. 91. Then 92. 93. Then 94. 95. 96, 97, 98. We have written numbers from 89 to 98. Then we have to write numbers from 100 to 91. Means we have to write the numbers here in the reverse format, in the descending order. Here we have written in the ascending order. Ascending means from smallest to highest or largest, from smallest to largest. Here we have to write descending numbers. Descending means largest to lowest. Let's do it. First 100. Before 100, which number will come? 99. Before 99, which number will come? 98. And before 98, 97. Repeat after me. 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. See, we have written numbers from 100 to 91. So these are ascending numbers. These are called as ascending numbers. From ascending means lowest to large, smallest to largest. And these are in descending order. Numbers in descending order. Descending means, I am repeating one more time. Descending means largest to lowest. Largest to lowest. Now third question. Write the given numbers in ascending order and in descending order. Few numbers are given here. 6 numbers are given. We have to write this number in ascending order as well as descending order, student. Let's start. First we have to write in ascending order. As I said, ascending means smallest to largest. First we have to see which is the smallest number in these 6 numbers. That we have to write first. Then the second smallest. Then third, fourth, fifth, sixth, like this. We have to go smallest to largest. So 20 is the smallest number. So that will come first. Then after 20, 30 is the smallest. As I said, ascending means smallest to largest. Then after 30, 50 will come. After 50, you can see 70 is there. Then 80, then 90. So we have written from smallest to largest. Now descending order means largest to smallest. Just we have to write reverse of this. First 90 will come, the largest, then second largest 80, 70, 50, 30, 20. The first largest number is 90, next is 80, then 70, after that 50, 30, then 20. I hope you understood these numbers, how to write it, and also how to write ascending numbers and descending numbers. You have to write total 4 pages. In one page you have to write 89 to 98, then full page you have to write. Then in one page 100 to 91 numbers you have to write in one line on your notebook, then full page you have to write, or at least 10 times you have to write. This work for today's homework, both numbers full page. Then tomorrow's homework is you have to write ascending order, then write these numbers, then full page. Descending order, write this number, then full page. I hope you understood. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel Tech Mathematics. Thank you for watching.